Hello students, in the previous lectures we have read how to find the dot and cross of product of two vectors and dot and cross product of three vectors. Now in this lecture we will generalize it after finding the dot and cross product of four vectors. So dot and cross product, let us define how to give the definition of cross dot product of four vectors. So let A, B, C, D are any four vectors in three-dimensional space. The scalar product of A cross B and C cross D is called the scalar product of four vectors, and it is denoted by A cross B dot C cross D, and it is always a scalar quantity. So for finding the for for finding the dot product of four vectors, first we have to find the cross product of first two vectors, and then the cross product of other two vectors. Then we'll find the dot product. Similar for finding the cross product of four vectors, we'll find the cross product of two vectors and remain cross the other two vectors. Then find the cross product of the resultant two vectors. Right? Similarly, Similarly, we can define the cross four vectors. ABCD are four vectors in three-dimensional space. The cross product of A cross B and C cross D is called the cross product of four vectors, and it is denoted by A cross B cross C cross D. Now, if you find the cross product of four vectors, it will be perpendicular to. Suppose if we first find the cross product of A and B, we will get a resultant vector. So if you find the cross of this, then find the resultant vector of this, then find the cross product of the resultant vector with C cross D, we will get a vector perpendicular to A cross B and coplanar to C cross D. So the resultant vector of the cross product of four vectors, if you first find the cross product of A and B, will be perpendicular to A and B and coplanar to C and D. Similarly, if you first find the cross product of C and D, then the resultant vector of the cross product of four vectors will be perpendicular to C cross D and coplanar to C cross D. So, if we find the cross product of four vectors, we will have two resultant vectors. One that will lie in the plane of third and fourth vector, and second that will lie in the plane of first and second. So first article is show that A cross B dot C cross D is equal to determinant of A dot C A11, B dot C A12, A dot D A21, and B dot D A22. Determinant of this. So let's take left hand side. A cross B dot C cross D is equal to, let's assume A. Let us first we have first calculated the cross product of A cross B. So after calculating the cross product of A cross B, then with the resultant vector will be A vector, single vector. So A capital A vector dot C cross D. Now dot and these are three vectors. Now this problem reduces to the scalar product of three vectors. So dot and cross can be interchanged. If dot and cross interchange, property of scalar triple product, the resultant remain the same. So this become equal to this. Now A cross C dot D, substitute the value of A back. The value of A back, you will get A cross B cross C dot D. Now the uh, we know we don't remember both the results of a a cross b dot cross c. We'll only remember one result, that is a cross b cross c is equal to the vector inside the bracket. This vector will be parallel to coplanar to b and c vector. So b vector and c vector, a dot c vector, this is c vector minus a dot b vector. So we'll use this result. We don't remember both of them, otherwise confusion will be created. So we have converted a cross b cross c into, because cross product. This is single vector. This is capital A vector, capital B vector. So a cross product will not commute. Therefore, this will be equal to minus of c vector cross a cross b dot d vector. Now using this result, a c vector, this vector will be coplanar to a vector and b vector. So this will be a vector minus b vector, a dot c, a dot b minus a vector into a dot c dot b a vector minus c dot a b vector dot d vector. Now c dot b is scalar quantity, means a real number. C dot a is a real number. Now if you find the dot product of these vectors, we don't commute while doing multiply vectors in the vector calculus. We don't commute the vectors. So this is equal to this scalar a dot d, minus sign outside, minus plus minus and plus. This is a c dot a and is equal to a dot d, dot product commute. So this is equal to b and this is equal to b dot d. Now we'll put in the determinant form. So this is equal to a11 into a22, a11 a22 minus a21 into a21 into a12. So we have converted this into determinant form, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence the scalar product. If you want to find the cross product of four vectors, you write the first vector first row, and the second the vector second vector CD. This is B vector, BB vector is into CD vectors. A vector, B vector is into C vector, D vector. So we'll find this. We'll find the type of only determinant of the scalar product of the vectors. It's easy to find. Easy. Similarly, we can generalize it. We can find the dot product of four vectors, five vectors, six vectors, and so on. Now, next is prove the. We can prove the above result by assuming A is equal to C cross D. So you do yourself and generalize it. Okay, what difference you got after substituting A is equal to C cross D. The next article is prove that. Now for cross product, A cross B cross C cross D is equal to. Now first we have to calculate the cross product of A cross B. You get a resultant vector. Now if resultant vector into C cross D, the vector will be coplanar to C and D vector. This is equal to. Now if we find the resultant of C cross D vector first, then the resultant vector will be in the AB plane after making substitution. So I'll just put one and other will put by yes, sir. So I've taken left hand side. Left hand side is equal to A cross B cross C cross D. Let us assume that A cross B is equal to A vector. Now A vector cross capital vector cross C cross D vector. Now using the result of cross product of three vectors, capital A is A, C, B is C, and D is C is D. Substituting in this equation, we got capital A, this is C vector minus D vector, coplanar to C minus D vector, is equal to vector A dot D vector is equal to vector A dot C vector. Now this vector. Now again substitute the value of A vector. Capital A equal to A cross B dot D, and similarly here A cross B dot C. So this will become A B D, scalar triple product of A B D. This is scalar quantity, real number. C vector A B C, scalar triple product of A B C into D, which is equal to the right hand side. Now you prove this result by assuming C cross D as a vector. The resultant will be because C cross D is equal to capital A vector. Resultant vector will be perpendicular, will be uh, coplanar to A and B. So these results, the important means if you find the cross product of vectors, if you assume A, if you first find the cross product of A and to B, the resultant vector will be perpendicular to A and B vector and coplanar to CD vector. If we first find the cross product of CD vector, the resultant vector will be perpendicular to C and D vector and coplanar to A and B. Now, corollary based on this, if let ABC are three known coplanar vectors, known coplanar ABCD vectors, they are not lying on the same plane, show that any vector can be accessed in terms of ABC. Now, for this, we will use it as this R vector is equal to this. So for this, we know if you find the cross product of four vectors A, B, C, D, which are not coplanar, then the resultant will be from previous article. This will be A cross B cross C cross D is equal to, if we first find the cross of AB, the resultant vector will be this, will be perpendicular to A and B vector and coplanar to C D vector. This will be ABD C vector minus ABC. Now, if we first find the cross product of C and D vector, the resultant vector will be perpendicular to C and D vector and coplanar to AB vector. Now, resultant vector product of four vectors is this and this also. Therefore, if they both are the resultant of vector product of four vectors, so they must be equal. They must be equal. So taking this is equal to this. Replace d by r in this equation. This and this replace d by r and simplify it for r. You get the any vector in the plane of three known covalent vector. This. Now let us discuss the reciprocal system. If ABC are any three known non-collinear and non-coplanar, we can find the reciprocal of vectors if and only if the three vectors are number one non-zero, none of them should be zero, none of them is zero, non-collinear, none of them lie in the same plane, same line, and non-coplanar. All three vectors are, does not lie on the same plane. That means that then and only then we can find the reciprocal of the given vectors. So reciprocal, suppose reciprocal A vector is equal to A vector dash, B vector is equal to B vector dash, and C vector is equal to C vector C dash is given by reciprocal of A vector is equal to find the cross product B and C vector and divide by it by scalar product of ABC vectors, whose reciprocal you have. Now, reciprocal of B vector is dash vector B vector. So C cross A, cyclic order, C cross A upon scalar triple product of ABC vectors. And similarly, reciprocal C vector, C dash vector is equal to A cross B upon scalar triple product of ABC vectors. These are the reciprocal vectors. The reciprocal vectors of vector A, vector B, and vector C